Good morning. I am going to bring up JOC for the blue team. I marked blue. I'm going to start with jobs scoped. I'm looking at the first one here, no completed estimate, and we have an estimate here, and you may be waiting for approvals. That's great. Well, then where is the percentage of completion? Are we going to sell this job? Next one, Brett Bostic, nothing. This is on 6/13, asbestos, and your get out of jail card's not even filled. There's no blood pressure note. So I need this updated today. We're going to go to jobs pending. Under jobs pending, you have this, you have an estimate completed. They're all marked ones, which means that we're approved. And let's see if there's any job notes. Oh, there's one here. Hunter lives out of town, is not available, tentative at 6/17. 6/17 was Monday. I need an updated note. I need to get this job sold. Next one, forming, done, 11. This is marked a 1. And there is no notes, no nothing describing what's going on. And the next one, it's obviously an extended period of time, 4/22. And 10,000, it's marked a 1, and there's no notes. I need these all updated today. We're going to go to sales. We're in the sales one right now. And you have all these that have been moved to sales, which means they've been sold. No inspection, no inspection, no inspection, no inspection. This one's not marked a 6. I know these just came in. Oh, and by the way, you have NCDPS. We're using NCORR, I believe. So please change those to NCORR. I realize they're warranty jobs that they've asked us to come and do, which, by the way, is a good reflection on our team from Wilmington. You also have another one right here, percentage completion. That's the mobile home. That needs to be changed to a 6. And the estimate needs to be completed because we written an estimate, it's approved. So get that number in there today immediately. Let's look at Ncord Gillis. No notes. And you know what? Let's just do it this way. I'm going to slide down a little bit here. Look at these middle ones. No blood pressure notes, no nothing telling me why it isn't moving along. And then let's get down to this one here. There's at least a note on this one, but let's start with this one here, 5/7. It's marked a 6. No start date, no nothing, no blood pressure note. Here I am on structure 1, McComish. It's marked a 1. It's marked approved. There's no start date. There is a blood pressure note. Contents are being packed out 6/12. Okay, well, I mean, that's been 2 weeks ago. I need an updated note. Here we are with several of these that have are marked to 10s, which means they're moving. Every one of these should have a start date. Every single one of these right from here down should have a start date, especially if it's a 10. Please get that updated today. I'm going to WIP next. Clicked on WIP. And here we are. It's marked to 6. Start date was 6/30. 6/3, excuse me, a $32,000 job. Doesn't look like we've collected anything on this, but we've got $1,700 in cost. I need a WIP note on this. Why is this not moving, and why is a $32,000 job going to take basically 2 months? That should be done pretty quick. And next question is where's the money? We haven't collected the invoice amount for the deductible. Again, I need a blood pressure note, folks. Here's another one, 95% completed, and we've been paid 13, and we got another whole month to complete 5%. I'd like a note. Why is it going to take another 3 weeks to get this job done? Here's another one. Okay, that one seems to be moving along. 7/12, $65,000 job, March. A little bit long, but I don't have any beef on that one. So we'll move on. NCORE, it's marked a 6. No blood pressure note why it hasn't started, and it has a start date of 2/5, has a completion date of 8/2, and it's still marked a 6. And we've spent $595 on it so far. What's going on with that one? Here's another job that is has a paid date. So no, that's incorrect. I need somebody to verify. Wait a minute, let me see what the note says. Do not contact for courtesy call as we are aware of the customer issue and working to resolve it. What does that mean? I need a better note on this. Looks like we've been paid the full amount, $27,000 on Bolton. I need something. I need a little better note than that. That was on 5/24 too, and we're supposed to be done with this job on 7/12. Here's another one, 6/28, which should be done next week. I don't have any problem with that, but it's marked 50%, and it was marked starting on 1/6. I'm assuming this is another NCORE job, but I need a note. Need a note, folks. There's another one, 6/5, $186,000 job. We got $5,000 in cost, and you guys got this estimated to be completed on 6/30 this month on $189,000. And I need somebody to look at this here. We should not be estimating $193,000 in cost on an estimated revenue of $188,000. We have obviously not budgeted this job. I need this job budgeted. Need notes explaining what's going on. You just kind of flip down here, see if there's any. Look at the jobs with the notes. So this is all I'm going to talk about right now. Just wanted to get a little bit out there. I need this updated today. Let's get these things cleaned up. And don't forget, you need to be looking in job completed. And you have these jobs in job completed, which means everything's done, but we're looking for final payment. That one's short. That one's paid. Why can't we close this one out? It's another one marked on do not contact the person. Karen Hughes. And that one should be able to be marked out and closed out now. I'll go back and look and make sure. I looked last night. I didn't see it. But here's another one that's amount invoiced. Okay, we're collecting payments on this one. We're collecting payments on this one. So, don't know why this one can't be closed. All right, I'll be forwarding this to you here in a second. Thank you.